Hi, I'm Dr. Roslyn Crisp with Crisp and Associates Pediatric Dentistry. I am here today with a quick tip to help you and your child have a healthy, happy smile. Appointment times vary. In other words, it depends on the age of the child and the extent of their dental treatment needs. Usually very small children don't tolerate a long appointment, so we have to be ready to do as much as we can within a short time frame. Now, of course, there are times when children have special treatment needs, and those appointments may be a little bit longer. Thanks for watching this quick tip from me, Dr. Roslyn Crisp, from Crisp and Associates Pediatric Dentistry. If you like this video, please do us a favor to help more people see it by liking and subscribing. If you have a pediatric dental question, please call our office 336-524-5439 or visit us at www.smilesaretofun.com. We look forward to seeing you and your child here at Crisp and Associates Pediatric Dentistry soon. Thank you.